Hi guys, I'm back with another pre-plucked hairline wig. If you want to see my thoughts and a comparison of the sensational wet lace with this particular wig line by Outre, stay tuned. Okay, hey boos, I'm back and today I'm gonna be doing a wig review. Before I get into that wig review, I just want to say, I know you noticed something different. Let me turn around for you. Plug out. So yes, I chopped my hair off. So now that we got that out of the way, now that that elephant in the room is taken care of, we're going to go ahead and review this wig. Brought to you by samsbeauty. So thank you samsbeauty for sending me over this unit so I can do a review for my lovely viewers. Okay, if you shop at samsbeauty, hashtag love down in the comments. Today's wig is by Outre. So this is another one of those perfect hairline situations. Okay, I got her in this style Crush and this color. Okay, I got this color thinking that it was gonna be, so I thought 2T27 was like a 2 at the top. So it is a mixture of a 2 and 27 at the top, and it goes down into the all 27 at the tips. And I'm not sure about the color, I'm not sure how it's gonna look on me, but we gonna see. This is the cap construction. She is 13 by 6. She has 2 combs and a comb in the back. She has this lovely strap right here, which I thought was really interesting. It's not adjustable, but it's like it's just like an extra security in the back. In my opinion, I feel like it's really loose, so we're gonna see when I put it on, because I know I have no hair. Like, I feel like it's gonna be really loose, but I'm still gonna go ahead and adjust the straps, and I'll put her on, and then we can look at this hairline because it says no plucking required. And I can already tell the difference between the sensational one is that the lace is tinted to a dark color, so it will match my complexion way better than the hairline on the sensational wet lace wigs. So this wig is really, if you're looking for a big head friendly wig, this is the one. This color reminds me of something somebody who's Caucasian would wear. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is not a black girl friendly color. This is not a black girl friendly blonde. They lied, sis.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back like you owe your tax.
I am gonna compare this wig to the sensational wet lace, because even though that lace on that was flawless, the wig should be named sensational what the fuck lace, because the hair quality was trash. You have to really like maneuver the wig, and like in my video with the Celeste wig from that, I had to thin her out in order for her to not tangle. I also reviewed the It's a Wig, I think it was Divine wig, and that wig went very viral. Not viral, I'm exaggerating. I got a lot of views on that wig. I got over 60K views on that video. A lot of people, were interested in the lace. There's a synthetic lace line that is offering pre-plucked perfect hairlines, and that video went viral. The only thing on that one was that the hair was horrible too. I had to end up cutting that hair. But I will say, since Outre, they've won the battle on that one. On the pre-plucked hairline wigs, Outre has won the battle. And you know why they won the battle? They won because this hair is flawless. I really wish I got this hair in a different color. I'm not really feeling the color as much. I just feel like it doesn't match my complexion, or the fact that it could have, like if I cut it, I could cut it and cut some of this blonde like this out, because it's just weird. I feel like the whole thing should have been this color with 2 at the top. That would have been so bomb. I mean, the color isn't horrible, it's just odd, you know. The wig is flawless though. This wig is the truth, okay? Crush is the truth. Definitely suggest you get her in a natural color. This wig, nobody will be able to tell that it's a wig. I'm not getting that much shedding. I'm getting a few strands here and here. She's big head friendly. They give you extra security with the extra band in the back. This wig is a synthetic wig wear the dream. Ain't nobody gonna be able to tell this is synthetic, sis. Ain't nobody gonna be able to tell. Not with this hairline, not with the way you running your fingers through your hair. Nobody's gonna be able to tell. Like, you like, sis, like, get on this one, okay? Out of all of the pre-plucked hairline wigs that were done at different companies that did that, I definitely would suggest the Outre perfect hairline line. And that's just what it is. Like, the lace is perfect, the lace is dark, okay? I know Sensational was coming out with back to back. I think it's only like 3 wigs in this particular line. They don't list the other ones, but like, sis, I'm about to cop this in a, like a 2. Definitely about to cop this in a 2. Yes. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Tell me what you think about this wig. Did you try all of the pre-plucked? That is such a tongue twister. Did you try all the pre-plucked hairline wigs? The companies that did them? If so, let me know your favorite down in the description box. I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so be notified anytime I upload. Also, follow me on Instagram. The link will be down in the description box. Love you.